In this video, I am going to teach you how to answer the interview question, tell me about yourself if you are a fresher. So if you've got a job interview coming up for any role whatsoever and you are a fresher, make sure you stay tuned because I will help you to pass your interview. Now, this is what I will cover during this tutorial. I will tell you how to use the fact that you are a fresher to your advantage when answering the interview question, tell me about yourself. I will tell you the 5 things you must include in your answer to this first interview question. I will then give you an example, scripted answer, a brilliant answer that you can use in your job interview, and this answer is applicable for all job roles. And I will then tell you how you can access further resources, including these slides and the answer, to help you succeed. So here's how to use the fact that you are a fresher to your advantage when answering the question, tell me about yourself. Now, you have the advantage as a fresher that you have no preconceived ideas about work. So this means they get to train and develop you to be the perfect employee. So you are effectively a blank canvas. And we want to use that to your advantage when answering the question, tell me about yourself. Now, before I give you the perfect answer to that question, here are the 5 things you must include in your answer to the question, tell me about yourself. Number 1, talk about the skills and qualities you have that the hiring manager is looking for. So my advice is to write down a list of your 5 most prominent skills and qualities. Now, if you are unsure of what to write down, here's a list of skills and qualities that all employers want from their employees. So first and foremost, they want trustworthiness and loyalty. They want somebody who is going to be loyal to their brand and that they can trust the person to do a great job. They also want perseverance and self-motivation. So if you are the type of person who is self-motivated to get up and running in the role quickly and you persevere to complete tasks properly, then you are far more likely to get hired. They also want problem-solving skills and resilience. Resilience is somebody who keeps going in the face of adversity and they never give up. They also want people who are creative and innovative. So if you are able to come up with different ideas to help their business grow and develop, you are far more likely to get hired. They also want somebody who has a positive mindset and a can-do attitude. They want enthusiasm, passion, and hunger to learn, and they also want somebody who is able to work calmly whilst under pressure. So make sure you take a note of those skills and qualities, and we will talk about them in our answer to the question, tell me about yourself. Number 2, tell the interviewer that you are a fast learner when answering the question, tell me about yourself. Now, this is one of the most important qualities I will look for in any employee. So when I interview somebody, I want to hear that they are a fast learner. Because if I have to spend weeks training you up and then supervising you, I will not hire you. Number 3, tell the interviewer that you are a blank canvas. Now, we have already touched on this at the start of this tutorial because experienced employees sometimes come with their own problems. They might be set in their ways or they might be unwilling to change, but you are going to be different. And because you are a fresher, that means they can train you up to be exactly how they want you to be, and we will use that to our advantage. Number 4, tell the interviewer you have a growth mindset. Now, I am 50 this year, yet I have always had a growth mindset and I've always been successful. So if you are the type of person who wants to continually improve, grow and develop, you will be an asset to their company. So tell them that you are always looking to improve, grow and develop. And number 5, when you answer the question, tell me about yourself as a fresher, make sure you include an example of an historical achievement that you have gained. So tell the interviewer something of significance you have achieved in your life so far, because this demonstrates that you are a high achieving person. Let me give you some examples of historical achievements for freshers. This could be achieving exceptional academic grades or exam results. It could be winning a team sporting event or trophy. It could be completing a challenging solo sporting or outdoor event, or even raising money for charity. It could be the fact that you have been included in a student-related achievement publication, or being recognised during your education by way of an award or some form of certification. Now, the easiest way to answer the interview question, tell me about yourself, for freshers, is to remember this format, SEAT, S-E-A-T. So when you walk into the interview, or if you are undertaking the interview online, you will be sitting down in the interview seat. And the first question they will ask you is, tell me about yourself. Use this format to structure your answer. Start off and tell them the skills and qualities you have. Then move on and talk about any work experience you have, or if you don't have any work experience, talk about your educational qualifications and achievements. Then move on to A, your achievements of significance, and finish off and tell them the type of person you are. So when you answer the question, tell me about yourself. If you are a fresher, use the format SEAT. S for skills, E for experience or education, A for achievements, T for the type of person you are. So let's now look at the perfect answer, a perfect sample answer to the interview question, tell me about yourself, for freshers, and this answer is suitable for all job roles. Here we go. Tell me about yourself. Thank you for inviting me to be interviewed for this position today. The skills and qualities I have are a strong match for the job description. I am a loyal and trustworthy person who will always represent your business in a positive way. I am a very fast learner, which means you will not have to spend your valuable time training me up and supervising me. I am very creative and I enjoy producing ways to help a company grow. I am also a good problem solver and I will always remain calm under pressure. Now, although I am new to the working environment, I do have some experience of work. During my academic studies, I obtained a placement at a graphic design agency. This gave me an invaluable insight into how to collaborate with others on important client-based projects, and how you must always plan carefully before starting work on any task or project to make sure it is completed on time and to the right standard. I would describe myself as a high achiever, which is going to be of benefit to your company. Now, during my educational studies, I was part of a sporting team that won numerous events, and we achieved this by always working on our weaknesses and by analysing the competition so we knew how to beat them. Now, the type of person I am means you will be getting someone in your team who is hungry to learn, enthusiastic and eager to impress. Finally, because I am effectively a blank canvas, you will get to train me up to be the employee you need me to be. I am ready to start work and I will not let you down. That is a brilliant answer, brilliant sample answer to the interview question. Tell me about yourself if you are a fresher. And if you look carefully, you will see that I have followed the format of SEAT, S-E-A-T, S for skills and qualities, E for work experience or educational qualifications, A for achievements, and I finish off and tell them the type of person I am and how that is going to be of benefit to their organisation. It's a great format to use and it enables you to remember your answer. Now, the next thing to do is click that link right now in the top right hand corner of the video. Head over to my website, passmyinterview.com, and you can download a copy of these slides and my full set of top 20 freshers interview questions and top scoring answers. It's a great PDF guide that will make a massive difference to your performance at your job interview. I hope you've enjoyed that. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I am also on LinkedIn, and if you want to connect with me, you can do. I've put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give the video a like, because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you all the best for passing your interview. Have a brilliant day.